Daddy. It's so cute the way he pats his feet like. Eddie, can you do this? Jump. Yes, Daddy, he's on the squirrel. He's on the squirrel. Or he was on the squirrel.
He's like, it is a squirrel. How am I supposed to get it now? Oh, it's gonna be closer. Closer. Closer.
I got it. Now how do I get it down?
Do you get into my hair?
Jump, Eddie, jump. Watching the phone to see the video on there, but like I saw it. He pats his feet like.
Thinking about jumping.
Oh, you got that, Eddie. He's on the squirrel again.